name is Arnaldo Cordero, and I was born and raised in Kenya. I grew up right next to a coffee factory, and every morning we would get the smell of coffee coming in through the windows. From a very young age, I developed a love and a passion for coffee, and that love has continued with me till today. I wanted to find a way to express my creativity and my love and passion for coffee, and I started to do some research and some exploring, and then I came across the Canadian Barista Institute. So I reached out to Jamie and I enrolled in the class. I thought, I know a lot about coffee. I'm a great coffee guy. And then I found out that actually I know very little. So, thanks to Gio and thanks to Jamie, I learned a lot, and I became even more passionate about learning, not just about coffee and how to make coffee, but the different ways to cup it and to determine. I didn't even know that the temperature of the coffee, how it's brewed, makes the difference in the taste. And it was just a lot that I learned. And I'm really grateful and thankful. So Toronto, watch out, because if I come out there with my barista skills, you're in trouble.